How to fix DISM scan stuck at 62.3%. So let's fix it. So when DISM gets stuck at certain percent, it can feel like the Windows is frozen. So if we interrupt it the wrong way, the system corruption can get worse. So let's fix it safely and properly. So first of all, you can wait for a little bit longer because often it looks stuck, but it is still working. So we need to wait for 20 to 10 minutes and don't close it at all. And you can run DISM with a Windows update. So you can basically look out for command prompt and run it as administrator. And once you run it as administrator, type in this certain command. So just go over and do so, which is this one right here. Type in DISM online cleanup image restore help source and limit access, and hit enter. And you can replace your X with your Windows ISO drive later. Mine is C, so you can just go over and type in C here instead, or DE, whatever it is, and hit enter and close it up once it is completed. Apart from that, you can check your Windows update. You can press Windows plus R and there just type in services.msc, services.msc, hit enter. And when you do, make sure these are running, which is Windows update. You can select one, type in W, scroll down, look out for the option for Windows update, find it up. And once you find it up, you can right click on it, go to properties, and ensure that it's on running, it is automatic, or start it up and apply it up and ensure that it is running. You can just go and look out for this section. And also for background intelligent transfer service, so type in B and go over and look out for background intelligent transfer service. Right click on it, go to properties for this one as well, and ensure this one is also running, which is bits, and close this up. And apart from that, you can run DISM in the safe mode. So once you restart your PC, you can boot in safe mode, and there just type in this in your command prompt. So type in command prompt, run it as administrator once again, and there just type in this particular command. So go ahead and copy up this code right here. So go ahead and Control plus V, and there we go. And it should restore your health. And that's it. Once the DISM complete, even type in sfc /scan now and hit enter, and that should also work out for you. And that's it. Now DISM should no longer stuck at a certain percent, especially at 62.3. So we hope this video was helpful. Ensure to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.